Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and today's video is a thrifted haul. The first thing I want to share with you is this absolutely gorgeous cookie jar. This is a gift, so I'm not keeping it. I'm actually giving this away with homemade cookies in it. I paid $10 for him at a flea market. Isn't that adorable? The next item is something that I collect. I have not shared this on my channel. This is the Mason Vista pattern and I love it. I've been collecting it for a few years. I don't have a big collection or anything like that, but I saw this and I picked it up. I think I snagged this for $4. The next two pieces won't be a surprise to anybody who watches my channel. These are the vintage refrigerator dishes. This one I snagged for $1 and this one I did pay $5 for. Both of them have lids, so I'm really happy about that. Up next are two items that were given to me as gifts. The first is a vintage cut glass butter dish with the lid. Mine, the children broke, so I needed a replacement and my aunt found this for me and picked it up. And she also knows that I collect cast iron trivets, so this is one that she grabbed. The next items are an accidental collection. So these are the Oneida basket weave pattern. Here is the little creamer and the sugar. I also have a platter. I also have some soup bowls that all have this same wicker pattern on them. They're not all Oneida, but I keep finding them. I keep thinking, oh, that would be really cute for spring. That would be really cute for fall with this basket weave. And these were $1 each, so it kind of just jumped into my basket all by itself. These next couple items are things that I had specifically picked up. I was looking for fall decor items. I tend to stick around the kitchenware stuff, so you're going to see a lot of kitchenware. This is a little salt and pepper. I also picked up a little terracotta pumpkin. He is a jack-o'-lantern on this side, and I've got a tea light in there. He's so cute. And then I've got my fall $5 Goodwill Challenge item. I'll link that below. It has a really nice saying. And this is straight decor. It's to hang on the wall. So these items were loads of fun. I got them for, each of them was less than $5. These two things look kind of like decor, but I got them for utilitarian purposes. This I want to hang up at my back door that goes out to my garden and have gardening gloves and a little trowel and little garden tools in there. That'll be a great organizational piece. And this I got because I've rearranged my kitchen and the place that I usually put my mail is gone. So this is supposed to be for napkins. It's brass. It says cast brass napkin or letter holder. I didn't see the letter holder part, but that's what I'm going to use this for, as a letter holder for my mail. I throw away all the junk mail, but the bills that I need to pay, I'll have a place to put those. Apparently I'm still on a silver plate kick. I picked this tray up for $2 and this little bell was 99 cents. I also grabbed two of these chafing dishes. This one has an insert that fits. The other one, the glass insert didn't fit, so I'm going to have to find one. But I love these. They are super raggedy right now, but I'm sure they're going to polish up and be absolutely beautiful. The larger one I got for $9 and this smaller one, I think I paid like $3 for it. But like I said, the insert didn't fit properly, so I'm going to have to find another glass casserole dish to go in there. The next couple items I did not put in my thumbnail. They are for upcoming projects. I'm redoing different rooms in my house. And these particular items are things that I'm buying to hold for whenever I do those remodels. And the first one seems kind of odd. I've got a pitcher and a really heavy basin that goes with it. And what I want to do is I want to make this a sink in my downstairs half bath. The other things I will hopefully be sharing with you in an upcoming video. I've been on a lookout for beds. My boys have bunk beds and they absolutely hate their bunk beds. So they asked me if I could get them single beds, and so I've had my eye out for them, and I found a set of matching vintage wooden beds. So I'm hoping to do a makeover on their room this month. So keep your fingers crossed that I get that project done, and I will be sharing that with you later on this month. And that wraps it up for this thrift haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of new uploads. As always, have a lovely day. Bye-bye.